Your evening, Your Holiness, to you.
Brothers, sisters, I would like to thank those people who organize this, say, meeting or, gathering, and give this opportunity. I'm very happy. Then, wherever I go and meet people, I always go with the feeling or motivation that I am one of the human beings. And one human being meeting another human being. Nothing more. Is it on the level of human being, no difference of color, no difference of culture, no difference of faith, nothing. All are same human species. You see, everyone wants happiness and do not want suffering. Whether educated, uneducated, rich, poor, no matter, even religious-minded or non-believer. And you see, feeling of I.